This is one of my few times actually being out here in Pomona. My name is Leon NightZ. I'm coming all the way from Bend, California. It's about an hour away. I've been doing music for about probably 3 years now. Really take advantage of the pandemic to take the time to perfect my craft. So I hope you guys enjoy this music that I'm about to perform for you. These can be the sex sounds we could both be making. Hit you to the sex beat, you'll be on my phone tripping. Thinking I ain't been sex, I know you want more of it. You're looking so good, I'll take you down where you standing. Don't miss your chance just because I hit your friend. Be careful when I'm around, I hit you with seduction. Moaning in your ear, does it sound how you imagine? Knowing that you had these sex dreams, I got you feeling. Let me slide in and I make it go deep. But screaming so loud, it came from the speaker. Hit you with the 808s, make you feel weaker. Make your eyes roll back from pleasure when I eat you. Stepped out of my house and the sun wasn't shining. You were right by me and the clouds started to rise. Pearly white teeth, girl, your beauty is so blinding. Make me wanna hit it, if I get it, I'ma keep it. I'm not gonna miss this chance, girl, I wanna make you mine. Get you to my house and just let me hit it from behind. You give me your love and in turn, I'ma give you mine. Yeah, I'ma give you mine. These give you the sex sounds we could both be making. Hit you to some Trey songs and maybe Usher Raymond. Chris Brown, no bullshit, make you beg for it. Making love to Joe to see what really have you squirting. These could be the sex sounds we could both be making. Hit you to some Trey songs and maybe Usher Raymond. Chris Brown, no bullshit, make you beg for it. Making love to Joe to see what really have you squirting. These could be the sex sounds we could both be making. Hit you to some Trey songs and maybe Usher Raymond. Chris Brown, no bullshit.